Hello children, Sujata Miss is here with another video. This is for class 9 ICSE board with reference to the chapter Rocks. Let me introduce this chapter today with you and let us discuss about the igneous rocks. Now first, what is a rock? Definition is important, children. Rocks are an aggregate of minerals that forms more or less a definite unit of the earth's crust. So aggregate of minerals forming a definite, more or less a definite unit of the earth's crust. Now rocks are mixture of different minerals. It has no definite chemical composition. It is heterogeneous. It can be either organic or inorganic. Now, if I want to differentiate between rocks and minerals, you see, minerals are composed of element. That one was mixture of different minerals, and this is minerals are composed of elements. Rocks, they have no definite chemical composition, whereas minerals, they have definite chemical composition. And next, rocks are heterogeneous, but minerals, they are homogeneous. Rocks can be organic or inorganic, but minerals are always inorganic. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Let me first do today with you igneous rocks. Now, igneous rock, how is it formed? They are formed by cooling, solidification and crystallization of hot molten material known as magma under the earth's surface and lava on the earth's surface. So children, three keywords: cooling, solidification and crystallization. Of what? Of molten rock material. Again, see, magma under the earth's surface and lava on the earth's surface. Characteristics: first hard, second compact, then granular, then crystalline, resistant to chemical weathering. Why? Because water cannot percolate, has no layers and subjected to mechanical weathering. Okay, so remember these words: hard, compact, granular, crystalline. Now igneous rocks, the size of the crystals vary. If it is found on the earth's surface where lava solidifies very quickly, the crystals are smaller in size. If it is found under the earth's surface where magma takes longer time to solidify, there the size of crystals are larger. And then, since water cannot percolate, chemical weathering is not possible. It has no layers and subjected to mechanical weathering. Now children, igneous rocks are always found in areas where we have volcanoes or in volcanic regions. And since it is first formed on the earth's surface, it is also known as primary rocks. Classification of igneous rocks based on origin. First classification is extrusive igneous rocks, intrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive, X means on the surface. So extrusive igneous rocks are formed by cooling and solidification of lava. Now these rocks, they are smooth, crystalline and fine-grained. Why they are fine-grained? Because this lava solidifies very quickly, and so they have small sized crystals, or they are fine-grained. And these kind of rocks are also known as volcanic rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks. In means inside. Now intrusive igneous rocks, they are formed under the earth's surface due to solidification of magma. Here the rocks in fact the crystals take longer time to cool, or rocks take longer time to cool. So crystals are large in size. They are coarse textured. If you are asked to differentiate, say first difference is for extrusive, cooling and solidification of lava. Intrusive is cooling and solidification of magma. Second, extrusive, smooth, crystalline, fine-grained, whereas for intrusive it is coarse textured. Third, extrusive has small sized crystals as lava solidifies quickly, and intrusive the size of crystals are larger as magma takes longer time to solidify. Now this is a picture of intrusive igneous rocks. The first one, see, found deep inside, far deep inside the earth's surface, and this is known as batholith, very deep seated intrusion. It is more or less dome shaped and has got no definite floor. Next, see laccolith. Laccolith, when you see, you can see it is formed just below the earth's surface, Again, it is dome shaped. See, this shape is dome shaped with flat bottom. Next, you can see dike. Now, dike, you see the arrangement is vertically. They solidify vertically, cutting across the bedded layer. See, dike is cutting across the bedded layer and it solidifies vertically. When magma solidifies horizontally, you can see magma solidifying horizontally in between the bedded layer. This is one bedded layer, this is another bedded layer. Magma is solidifying horizontally. Then we call this to be sill. And whenever the magma comes out from the magma chamber, through a passage it will come on the earth's surface in form of a volcano. Now, sometimes, especially in case of extinct volcano, this magma may solidify in the passage itself, blocking the way. The magma, when it solidifies in the passage, it forms what is known as volcanic neck. This is volcanic neck. Okay. Now, classification based on chemical composition. We have two types, acidic igneous rocks and basic igneous rock. Acid, the silica content is 65 to 85%. Basic silica content is 40 to 60%. Acid igneous rocks generally lack in iron and magnesium. Basic igneous rock, higher percentage of oxides of denser elements. Acid igneous rock, light in color and less dense. Basic igneous rock is dark in color and heavy dense. Just a minute. Dark in color and heavy dense. So that's all, children. Again and again I am telling children, if you like my videos, please do subscribe and share. Thank you, children.